there. In this tutorial I'm going to learn about another chart, and there we actually going to learn about increasing, decreasing decimals. We also learn about formulas in a chart, and also combine two sheets with each other. Now, for example, we want to bring more and more value there, and we want to increase the valuations in the products, and we want to, for example, as of now, have a price product, and there's two things we need to learn. Is first is the product price and the price of the product ultimately, even after discount, after having a profit, what is the net value we are selling it. Now, for example, wants to increase the and decrease the decimal first learn to increase and decrease the decimals. So for example, wants to increase the decimals here. Here we have two values called increase and decrease decimals. Now, for example, if I want to decrease the decimal, like here, if I say 1500, 15.0, and here I say that 150 point. So basically, this is the decimal randomly. If I say 15.5, and here if I say that 45.5, and if I say 35.5, and here I say, if I say that 70.5, and here I say 80.5, 20.5. So these are the decimal values. Wants to increase and decrease decimal. How to do that? Here I can decrease. This is decrease value, increase value. You can see this is how it decrease value. This is how it increases decimal, and this is how it decreases decimal values. If I just want to remove the decimal here, you can see the 1 rupee has been deducted, but I want to go with the decimal value. So there is a column called increase and decrease decimal value. Now, for example, I want to go with the total quality and the quantity of the product price and the value of that. So how to do that? The total value, which is, for example, as usual, the formula will be equals to quantity of the product into the value per product or per box, whatever you can say, per product it can be. Hit enter. Your product price is 93 rupees. Similarly here as well, one quantity, like one quantity, and the per product price is is one quantity. You can select anything like that, and then asterisk one quantity, 150 rupees. Similarly, if you want to if because the valuation remains same, wants to continue with so just drag from here, click, select till here, and you find that there is the total value you have to pay for a product according to that valuation, like 6 into 15.5. So this is the total value you have to pay for. Now, rate after 10% discount. Now, what is the discount? For example, this is 10% discounts we are providing in a product. If a person buying a product of these ranges, and he's paying for the same, then we are providing a 10% discount in here. So what would be the formula of 10% discount? Here we have to put a equal there. Similarly, same thing, we will do an implementation will be there, and 93, the amount price is 93, so we will select the column here, which is E4 in this case, and minus, and then we will do another bracket because we have to actually raise the percentage of a 10%. So we will put an asterisk there. Either it would be a 10%, 10/100 or bracket. If you don't want to go with the 10/bracket, then you simply go with 10% bracket, and this is what the final amount a customer have to pay for, 83.7. This is what the amount a customer needs to pay for. Similarly, if you want to have the same value of every, because let me go with another, like I say equals to, equal, the product price will be of 150, then I say minus, because we will actually giving a discount, then in bracket we will say again 150, then asterisk, which is a multiplication in this case, 10%, bracket 135. This is the final amount a customer have to pay for a charger if he wants to buy. If he wants to know product price of every product, and then drag from here, you will see these are the product price, the final price of a product. This is the maximum discount a customer can avail. Now, what is the percentage of us? For example, we are selling, and we are selling at the percentage at the profit of this particular label. Then what exactly we and how much amount we will exactly going to get it. So once again, we will have equals to, and the amount which we are going to claim is 83, then the plus the profit, because 83.7 is the price, and the profit we are gaining from the product is then 83.7 once again. Then in percentage, if we want to go with the percentage, asterisk 15% we are gaining, bracket close, hit enter. This is the net sale value. This is the actual value customer have to pay for, net sale value. This is the total, even after giving a discount 10%. This is what exactly a customer have to pay for. Percentage in percentage, profit in percentage. So 96.255 is the customer, what customer have to pay for. Similarly, if you want to know about another value, which is equal 135 plus bracket 135 once again, asterisk G5 in this case, percentage, bracket close, 148.5. This is the amount customer have to pay for. And rate after 10% discount. So if I say that once again, let me check with another value. If I say that 40.95 plus, then bracket plus asterisk G6 43.43047. So whatever the total value backs for rally, we are providing a discount as per it, and we are giving a great discount. So let's drag it here from here as well, and this is the final price customer have to pay for a particular product. So this is what customer have to pay for a product, and this is how we can create a small chart. So as we already learned that if we want to uh, increase, for example, if we say increase decimal, then we can increase decimal from here. If we want to decrease decimal, the final price, how it could be, this is the final price. This is what customer needs to pay for. Now, the thing what we need to do here from now onwards is to check the charts as well. For example, like highlighting part. For example, let's make things a little bit colorful. For example, I want to draft 12. That's okay. Bold letter, so that's look a little bit great. Chart will be looks great. Similarly here as well, making things a little bit colorful. So this is how it can be done for property net cell. Make things colorful here by filling blocks there. Like I said, red color I'm filling with, and a little bit lighter wants to go with lighter color. Similarly here as well, just wants to fill that color, say green color, go with blue, dark blue, look cool. So this is how we can, for example, we want to fill this particular column, so we can fill another color, light blue. So, and the color of the product will remain black. You can also fill the color here as well. If you want to just click on it, you just found that whatever color you fill, it will be filled entirely in the particular column, in the particular row. You can see the total till that here. You will found that the entire color will remain there if you select the entire row there. So just wants to undo there, because I don't want the entire row to be colorful. Rest I want go with to select here. If I go with green, for example, another light color wants to select. This is another great color. So this is how we actually can make things colorful for our chart, so that it looks great when we finally made a presentation. Here it is. Looks great. Here it is. So it looks colorful, and this is how we create Excel as well. Now, for example, this is what the price of a product 2016 was. Now you want to know about the earlier prices, then you can similarly go with the product price. Once again, if I say that I want to go with the recent product, recent chart, then I will open product price 2015. So this is what 2015 is all about. 2015, and it was there like the 2015 was a great year. So recently, if I go with the recent open chart, then I will find that yeah, these product price was about that time it was like that. So how to increase and compromise those, how to get the database. You will find that we have another great tool to find out is view. Then you find that range all. If I say that range into tiled vertical one, for example, if I say vertical one, then you find that two particular chart will be there. This is what it looks like before and after, and two particular chart like here as well. If I say this particular price is similarly like 2015 and then 2001, like that. If I want to change the product, means the same chart is there, but it could have the different values. For example, the same is there, but you want to create a chart of 2015. In that case, just click on 2015, made the changes according to the 2015, and two charts will be created. Need not to worry about. And if you want to see here as well, the similar thing will work. So this is how we can have some brilliant tool of Excel. One is that range, or what if you want in the entire screen, if you want two sheets you want to compare, then this is how we can do that. And if you want to remove, just cancel it, close from here, and it will be removed. Here it is. So for example, this is how we can create a colorful chart as well. The total value, the rate of percentage, profit, net sale value. This is how we found out. And this is how we actually made colorful rows and columns so that it looks great to us as well. So hope you learned something from it. Thanks for watching.